products required for making your personalized photo lamp are sellotape, white sheet, 2 colored sheets, glitter sheet. This is a flower cutter. If you have it at your home, you can use it, otherwise it's not necessary. Fevistick, white thread, piece of cardboard, 12 photographs that are 3 by 3 cm in size, scissor, pencil, LED light and a glass bottle. For the first step, measure the inner diameter of the bottle cap and cut the cardboard into the same diameter. Here I have this cardboard that I have cut into the diameter of the bottle cap, and this completely fits my bottle cap. Yours should also completely fit like this. Now with the help of the white sheet, cover this cardboard from both the sides and your cardboard should look like this. I have made some small strips out of the colored sheets. I have also made some flowers as I had the flower cutter with me. If you don't have the flower cutter with you, no need to buy it from the market. You can completely do without the flowers. I have also made some small hearts out of the pink colored sheet like this. All these things are for decorating the glass bottle. I have also made a small heart out of the glitter sheet, and I will use this heart to place it on the top of the cardboard that I had cut into the shape of the bottle cap. Now with the help of the thread, I am going to bind these two photographs together. Cut a small piece of thread, place this thread on one photograph, apply some Fevistick on another photograph, then bind these two photographs together with the thread in between them, and you will get your photograph like this. Repeat the same process for other photographs and you will get 6 pairs of such photographs as I have over here. Now take the cardboard that we had cut into the shape of the bottle cap. We have to hang all these photographs on this cardboard, and to do so we will use a sellotape. We have to hang one photograph slightly upwards and the other photograph slightly downwards so that all the photographs can be completely seen. We will adjust the photographs with the help of these threads. You can also cut your photographs in any shape. Here I have taken a square shape. You can cut your photographs in rectangular shape or a circular shape. So finally I have this. I have hung all the photographs on this piece of cardboard. So now we have prepared everything that is required for making photo lamp. Now for the final step, I am going to place the LED light inside the glass bottle. Make sure that the LED light is evenly placed inside the glass bottle. You can see that I have kept the switch of the LED light outside. Now I am going to decorate the glass bottle with the help of the hearts. We have to place all the hearts at the corner of the glass bottle. All the hearts should be placed adjacent to each other. Now place these paper strips and the flowers in this glass bottle like this. You can just sprinkle from the top of the glass bottle like I am sprinkling over here. This will give you a nice look to your personalized photo lamp. Just shake it with your hands so that they can be evenly spread. Now I am going to place this on the glass bottle cap, as we have cut the cardboard into the diameter of the glass bottle cap so it completely fits the cap. Now I am going to place this on the top of the bottle, and a personalized photo lamp is ready. So this is how the lamp looks like at night. This is a great thing to give to your loved one.